challenges of building your own PC. In a world driven by technology, building your own PC can be both exciting and challenging. However, there are reasons why some people develop a dislike for this process. I hate building PCs because it's so complex. There are so many different components, and I'm afraid I'll mess something up. Compatibility issues drive me crazy. It's hard to make sure all the components work together, and sometimes I end up wasting money on parts that don't fit. Honestly, I just don't have the technical knowledge. I don't understand all the jargon and specifications. It feels overwhelming. Building a PC takes so much time and effort. Researching, assembling, troubleshooting, it's a never-ending process. I'd rather save time and buy a pre-built system. Person 5. The lack of warranty and support is a big drawback. If something goes wrong, I'm on my own. With pre-built systems, I have peace of mind. While building a PC may have its challenges, it also has its rewards. You have the freedom to customize your machine to your exact needs, saving money by avoiding unnecessary features. But, is there a way to overcome these challenges? Tip 1. Research and plan. Understand the components and their compatibility before making any purchases. Tip 2. Seek assistance. Reach out to online communities or friends who have experience building PCs for guidance and advice. Tip 3. Take it step by step. Follow detailed guides or tutorials to assemble your PC, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps. Tip 4. Take advantage of warranties. Many individual components come with their own warranties, providing some level of support. Building your own PC may be challenging, but with the right resources and support, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience.